Hello, what is up everybody? Welcome to One to Step YouTube channel. This YouTube channel, we post tutorial videos and guide videos just like this. So if you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, then be sure to hit that subscribe button with notification on to our channel to get notified for future video. And let's start today's video. And today's video is in the topic how you guys can activate two-step verification code on your Yahoo account. So it's pretty simple to activate two-step verification code. So the first step is you want to go to your search engine. It could be any search engine you want. I'm using Google Chrome. And then you want to search for yahoo.com. After you search for yahoo.com, it's going to take you to Yahoo's official webpage. And over here, you need to log in into your account. So I have already logged in into my account, so it shows my name over here. So after you log in into your account, you're going to come to this page as well. When you come to this page, you want to click on your username at over here and then click on where it says add or manage account. Click on it. Now once you're over here, you want to click on where it says account info over here. As you guys can see, click on account info. Now once you click on account info, you want to click on where it says account security right over here. Click on account security. Remember, to go to your account security, you need to verify if it is you or not. So you need to sign into your Yahoo account again over here. So let me sign into it. So after signing into your Yahoo account, it's going to take you to account and security page over here. Wait for some time. Mine is loading over here. Now, once you're over here, basically what you want to do is scroll down until you see two-step verification over here. As you guys can see, there is a two-step verification. So now basically to turn it on, I can just click on where it says turn on to SV. So I click on turn on to SV and it's going to show you how I can get started with it. And once I click on get started, my two-step verification will be on. And every time I try to log in into my account, I need to follow the rule of two-step verification, which is it's either going to send a verification code to my phone or to my email, which I need to type, and then only I can access my mail over here. So that's basically how you guys can turn on the two-step verification on your Yahoo account. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit the like and subscribe button with notification on to our channel to get notified for future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.